Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Aquarius in April 2025. This month calls for honest communication, clearer thinking, and renewed focus on your home and emotional foundations, a cosmic invitation to balance your brilliant ideas with grounded action. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. April 2025 brings a focus on communication, family, and personal security. Early in the month, reflection and review dominate your mindset. As the month unfolds, attention shifts toward building stronger foundations, both emotionally and physically. Your inner world and how you express it matters more than ever. Mercury retrograde, March 15th, April 7. Mercury begins the month retrograde in Aries, your third house of communication, learning, and short trips. Misunderstandings, tech glitches, or delayed messages are common. Avoid signing contracts or making big announcements until after April 7th. Venus retrograde, March 1st to April 12th. Venus also retrogrades through Aries, asking you to reevaluate how you communicate love, values, and desires. This is a period to heal past misunderstandings and reconnect with authentic self-expression. After April 12th, conversations feel lighter and more harmonious. Mars in Taurus. Mars energizes your fourth house of home, family, and emotional security all month long. This brings a strong desire to take action at home, whether through renovations, family discussions, or creating a more stable living situation. Frustrations with family or home matters may also spike if tensions have been brewing. Venus enters Taurus, April 30. Venus joins Mars in your fourth house at the end of the month, softening family tensions and encouraging harmony at home. This is the perfect time to beautify your space or host nurturing gatherings. Career and finances. April isn't the ideal month for bold career moves, but improving communication and work processes will pay off. Use the first week to review old projects, revise presentations, or reconnect with valuable contacts. After April 7th, discussions flow more smoothly, making this a good time for creative brainstorming or collaborative work. By the end of the month, Venus in Taurus reminds you that your professional success depends heavily on the strength of your personal foundations. A happy home fuels a successful career. Relationships. Communication is the heart of your relationship story this month. Mercury retrograde stirs old conversations, unfinished dialogues, or even reconnections with people from the past. Avoid heated debates early in the month. Focus instead on understanding hidden motivations. With Mars and Venus both influencing your fourth house, family dynamics also play a key role in your emotional life. Balancing personal freedom with family responsibilities becomes essential. After April 30th, Venus helps bring warmth, affection, and understanding to your closest relationships. Health and well-being. Emotional security is directly tied to physical well-being this month. Mars in Taurus demands practical self-care. Good food, rest, and physical comfort matter. If stress builds up around family or home issues, ground yourself through sensory experiences like cooking, gardening, or hands-on creative work. Best days for success. April 7th, Mercury turns direct, communication clears up, and delayed news arrives. April 19th, the Sun conjuncts the North Node, highlighting an important realization about your personal path. April 30th, Venus enters Taurus, bringing harmony to home and family life. What to avoid? April 1 to 7, Mercury retrograde's final stretch can still confuse communication. Double-check details and wait to finalize agreements. April 20, Mars squares Pluto, triggering tension between personal desires and external responsibilities. Avoid ultimatums or power struggles. April 2025 asks Aquarians to ground their brilliant ideas in reality. By creating a stable home base and nurturing meaningful conversations, you'll find the clarity you've been seeking. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. What's the most important conversation you need to have this month? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your next cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.